Alright guys, so Heroes Battlegrounds has gotten an update. Not much happened, but like a lot of people were very impatient. So first, I haven't heard much about the update, so let me see if Split Ice Mastery or Todoroki Mastery has finally gotten an ultimate, because we got this mastery like it's not a different name, so no. Anyways, Shigaraki got a new name, Decaying Hatred, and nothing new about this guy. And then Tenge, or Ida, whatever you want to call him, has a new move. No, not a new move. Oh my god. A new name, Full Throttle, and then Human Architect, or Overhaul, has a spawn animation. I think he had a spawn animation. Anyways, we have an ultimate for him. And I think you already know about these. And then there's Dirty Work variant. Boom. And the Renovation variant. This is okay. Anyways. Oh. A clone? No. Oh my. What? I have 4 arms. Hold up. What the actual? I have 4 fucking arms. What is this? Hold up. What the actual fuck is this? Okay. New idle animation. I have 4 arms. Oh my god. What the actual fuck is this? Oh my god, this is great. Holy shit. And I have a custom run animation. Like, look at this. You cannot tell me that you don't like this. Calmicious Rushdown. Get over here. I'm going to whoop your ass, boy. Get in the cabin and take off all your clothes. What was that? I need to look at that again. Damn, that was brutal. Disgusted dismay. Prepare thyself. Judgment. Okay, it's nice, I guess. This is super cool. Hold up. Low dummy, obviously. Finisher? It's no finisher. Never mind, there's a fucking finisher. Never mind, there's not a finisher. Disgusted dismay, please, finisher? Okay, no, the devs decided to not get a fucking finisher. Hold up. This is long range? Yeah, this is long range. Is there a long range variant? Yeah, no, it's the same thing. Disgusted dismay! Wait. Since you can do that, don't tell me. Alright. I have a swarming amount of dummies around me. Disgusted dismay! And yes, you fucking can. AOE. Get in the fucking cabin, boy. I'm going to whoop your ass. Boom. 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 Fuck over here. Prepare thyself. I like how I backflash. Oh, red flash. This is red. Wait, what if I turn my effects off? Hold up. No. Color. Effect color. Alright. Okay. And this is just normally red. Look like this. Normally red. And disgusted dismay. Alright. Alright, that's about it, right? Obviously, there's nothing new for the PS Plus characters, and obviously nothing new for Nomu. I want to see if they changed this secret base, because they've already changed it once, so why not change it twice? Get me the fuck in. Yeah, they did not change the shit. Paintings? Yeah, the paintings did not change. Never mind, the paintings might have changed a little bit. I want to see if I can absolutely crush someone in the radio. I'd be so sad if they remove that. Hold up. Let me see if they changed something for Warp Portal. Like added a new ultimate move. Yeah, I don't think they changed anything. Like, we've had Spatial Fury for a while. I really like this finisher. Prepare thyself. Dodgements. Alright, that's the end of today's video. If you did enjoy, please like and subscribe. Bye.